Do you think your incognito tabs are invisible? Think again. In this video, I will show you exactly how incognito history can be seen or how to view it, and most importantly, how to delete it completely from your laptop. Whether you are using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, I will show you easy and transparent methods on how to view it and how to delete it. Incognito mode hides your browsing history from your browser, but not from your system or the network. Your DNS cache still logs the websites you visit even in a new incognito tab. That means, yes, incognito history can be seen. Go to search bar in your computer and type CMD. Right click on a command prompt and open up as an administrator. In your command prompt, please go ahead and type ipconfig display DNS. This command shows a list of domains your system has resolved, including those visited in incognito tab. It's not labeled as incognito, but if you just visited a site in a private window, you will see it here. Now let's clear the DNS records inside your browsers. In Google Chrome, you could just go ahead and paste this link from the video description. And if you are using Microsoft Edge, you could also get the Microsoft Edge links from the video description. And on this page, you will find the button labeled with Clear Host Cache. This deletes DNS records stored by the browser, including those from the incognito mode. You won't see a list of sites here, but clearing the cache removes those hidden traces. Now, if you want to do it via command prompt, that is also a simple method. To fully wipe DNS traces from your system, open up command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig /flushdns and then press enter. This clears all DNS records from your device, removing any leftover traces of incognito browsing at the system level. After flushing the DNS cache, you can check again with ipconfig display DNS. If you still see some entries, don't worry. Those are the background system queries from Windows, not your incognito history. And the important part is that your private browsing traces have been cleared. So now you know incognito mode doesn't hide everything. But with these steps, you can view and delete DNS traces safely and legally. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with someone who still thinks incognito means invisible. Stay smart, stay secure, and I will see you in the next one.